Ambassador for Peace. Tashkent Medical Academy, Urgenç Branch, acknowledges and pay tribute to Deputy Chairman of the Board of Governors and Director of Minhaj-University for outstanding services in the field of international harmony, interreligious cooperation, educational reforms, and other such extraordinary academic and research achievements. We appreciate your services as a member of national, regional, and world peace councils to promote and establish the global culture of peace in various dimensions of life through humanitarian service. This certificate is awarded to you in recognition of your vision, ideological leadership, and services as an ambassador of international harmony and peace. Thank you for your dedication to Urgenç Branch of Tashkent Medical Academy. You have become an exceptional member of Tashkent Medical Academy. We are confident that you will continue to make an outstanding contribution to the development of international cooperation, educational research, innovation, and academic excellence. The Urgenç Branch of Tashkent Medical Academy is proud to be recognized as an ambassador for peace, Professor Dr Hussain Qadri. Mr. Abdurrahman will receive the certificate of Dr Hussain Qadri. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.